Hi, this is Matt with XLR8 Roofing in Oviedo. We're getting another roof started today. It's getting an IKO Cambridge charcoal gray roof. It's going to look great when it's done. Let's go check it out. This is an IKO Cambridge charcoal gray. On most houses you've ever seen, they have a lead pipe boot. This is what is underneath it. It's PVC pipe coming up through the decking. On this roof, instead of putting lead pipe boots back, we are putting this bullet boot. It's a neoprene, it's flexible, it's sturdy, and it even has, you can see it's got a mesh on top of it, so it prevents anything like squirrels or rodents from going through it. Some people sometimes ask what is the difference between an OSB and a plywood. This house has OSB, which is oriented strand board. It's basically all the particles of the wood pressed together. It is actually very strong, but you know, some people do still prefer plywood. But this house was built with OSB, and you can tell when you get really close, you can see all the particles pressed together.